How's it going?
Is this yours?
It is.
You don't have warrants or anything, do you?
No.
All right, you want to get on camera and talk about it?
Sure.
Okay. All right, so I'm here with Austin and Ashley. They got this really badass truck behind us here that they're living in full time. You guys live in this full time.
Yep,
so tell us a little bit about it.
Well, we've been on the road for about 2 months now, and our ultimate goal is traveling to Argentina. So
Wow.
We're planning to take about a year and a half off from work, and
Okay.
we haven't worked in 3 months now. So it's been going pretty good.
Yeah. Have you resulted to like playing a guitar anywhere or
No,
Not
DoorDashing or
yet. I know
anything?
how though, so it's always in my back pocket
There you
if
go.
I really need to.
There you go. Now, did you guys build out the inside of this thing?
Yep, we built
Absolutely,
everything
yeah.
about it. The only thing we didn't touch was the paint and the canvas. Everything else is our own custom work.
So, is this imported or?
No, it's actually was built up in Washington by the company Chinook.
Okay.
They built them on Toyota chassis from 1974 to 1978.
Okay. And what year is this?
82.
And how many miles are on it?
Since we've rebuilt it.
Or yeah, because I
Yeah.
imagine you had to redo the engine and everything.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so everything's custom about it.
Okay.
So, since it's left our shop, we've put about maybe 16,000 miles on it.
Okay. How many miles on it before?
Probably it was over 200,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
So all the fiberglass and everything. I'm assuming this is fiberglass.
Yes,
Yes.
it is.
All the fiberglass and stuff is stock though, right? Or did you guys have to fix
Yeah.
that too?
There used to be these big tail lights right here,
Uh-huh.
so on either end we had to use our own. We knew nothing about fiberglassing,
So you
so we had to
learned
learn how to
fiberglass.
fiberglass, and we did that. And then there's a few random holes that there were that we had to fix.
Okay.
And
Yeah,
Stuff like that,
Lots of
but
fiberglass work. and then-
otherwise, this is what it looked like.
yeah,
Awesome.
And then, so the shell was actually on a two-wheel drive chassis
Okay.
on a '78 two-wheel drive pickup. That's
Okay.
what they mounted them on. But the frames are the same for the four-wheel drives and two-wheel drives, just different suspension up front.
Okay.
So we mounted on an '82 Toyota pickup four-wheel drive chassis. And that
So that got you 4-wheel drive.
Yep, that's got us the four-wheel drive and then slightly newer style cab. A
Gotcha.
little more room in this cab.
Okay.
Still not big, but
It's still small.
still
Yeah.
small.
Yeah.
And then for the drivetrain, we swapped in a '99 4Runner drivetrain.
I saw that it looked like it was an updated engine. in
Yeah,
there.
so it's a 3.4 liter V6
Okay.
with an automatic transmission.
It's Toyota reliable, so you guys are good to go.
Yeah.
Where'd you start at?
Fairbanks, Alaska.
Yep.
That's where we're from.
Yes.
Y'all are from Alaska. You drove down so
Well,
far.
Yeah. At
We
the
actually-
time, the border was still closed, so we had to ship our vehicle to Missoula, Montana, which sounds super random, but we found someone who could do it for cheap. And from there, we went from Idaho, Washington, then down the coast up to here.
Nice. Really cool. And you guys are going to leave here and go down towards Argentina?
We're actually going to go towards North Carolina first. We've never been in that area. We've heard it's a beautiful coast.
Good people going to the Outer Banks.
Yeah. I think so, yeah.
Yeah, so it doesn't matter where you're coming from. The Outer Banks is a long drive, so just get used to it, right?
Yeah.
Well, that's really cool. So take me through, what's your favorite feature of the truck?
I'd say the inside is really nice. We got the fridge. We actually we redid the whole inside, so we have a queen size bed actually.
Okay, so
Originally-
full queen. You're a
Yeah,
tall guy, so that
exactly.
works.
Yeah, the fact, I like the pop top. The fact that he can stand up in there is
Yeah,
Great.
huge. But we can also still fit through a drive-through.
yeah, because it
go on
comes
off-road.
down, and then we can go into a Connex and
Yeah.
when we want to ship. So
Yep.
Yeah,
Ready.
so yeah, it fits in a shipping container.
Yep.
That's
It
a big
does.
key thing for you
Yeah.
guys, huh?
Yeah, and we're
there's a chance it fits into the smaller one, the standard cube,
yeah,
Yeah.
not in a high
instead
cube.
of the high cube.
I think if
Ah.
we
We'll have to
deflate-
test it first.
Yeah, I think if we deflate our tires and take off our roof rack, we can fit in a regular 20-foot shipping container.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
Any trails? Have you hit any trails with
Oh
it?
yeah,
Yeah,
we
so-
did the whole Washington BDR while
Oh,
we were down
nice.
there.
Yeah, that was actually like our first week on the road. We
Yeah,
decided-
Phil
We
knows
got all
about
our
the BDR.
pinstriping
Yeah.
right away.
Oh,
so
yeah. really put
That's
our,
awesome.
Yeah,
Really
really put
cool.
the truck to the test.
Yeah, so I just got done doing the Colorado BDR.
Yeah,
nice.
that's awesome.
And it's a fantastic drive. Yeah, this could definitely, yeah.
Yeah, we weren't familiar with the BDRs before we got down to the Local 48. After doing that Washington one, we want to do all of them now.
Yep. Yeah.
Every single one, yeah.
Well,